A warm welcome to this second day of Ho'oponopono healing meditation. I call this meditation as a magical meditation because I've seen lot of changes. Yes, tremendous changes who all attended this meditation with me, and this is the sixth session of such a meditation I'm conducting. Thank you for watching me and thank you for joining me. And I wish all of you a very peaceful and sound sleep after attending this meditation. Please share your testimonies and motivate others also. Today, just before we start the session, yesterday we shared about self love, how we neglected our own self. Now it is a time to love our own self, and in order to love our own self, we have to start with our own body. Today I'll teach you two very simple techniques to uh, re-energize your own body systems. All internal organs and all your body part joints can be activated by these two very simple exercises. These are based on acupressure and sujok therapy. One is clapping therapy. Just clap. We were clapping for others to encourage others, but today we will clap for our own self. Yes, I also deserve clapping. Then why don't you clap for your own self? Just clap. This is the science behind this is our palms has all the corresponding points, acupressure points of all our internal organs. Here comes the intestine, colon, reproductive system. This is front part of our face and neck, behind our head and neck, and here these two are our hands. These two are our legs. Like these two are hands and these two are legs. So just by clapping, we can activate our all internal and external systems. Let us start clapping for 15 times, and that also with little pressure. Let it be activated. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. See, and here this spine is here. Spine, you can touch and feel. Spine is here. Two kidney points are here. See these two holes, like two kidney points are here. Just by clapping here, clap 15 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Clap opposite hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now here, all the joints of both the hands and legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, opposite hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, these are very important points for gas. Anybody has gastric problems and all, just by, you don't have to know the scientific this exact point and all, Just do this. 1, 2, any layman can do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now this. All the points inside this joints. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah. Now, after the clapping therapy, we are doing rubbing therapy. We clapped for ourselves. Now we are going to rub. See, any shoulder pain, cervical pain, just by rubbing here, you will get relaxed. See, with little pressure, just rotate like this. This is called rubbing therapy. All the fingers and all the joints, slowly, lovingly, but with little pressure, you can do it. Yeah, now hold like this, all the fingers. After doing this, you can feel the difference in your body. You will start sweating, and any toxins in your joints and all, that will be relaxed, that will be removed. Now just with a little smile on your face. Yes. Now you can rotate your wrist 6 times clockwise, 6 times anti-clockwise, and throw your hands like this. Wow. Come on. Yes. Feel relaxed? Yeah. Now rotate your shoulders. Who are sitting and continuously on mobile and laptop and all, yes, they'll feel totally relaxed now. All your tensions, all your worries, wherever pain is there in your body, let it be removed, go away from your body now. Yes. Now go for little stretching. Yes. Stretch yourself. Relax. Once again, stretch. Stretch. Now one more. Stretch little more down. Yeah. Next. Wow. Next. Wow. Okay. You can do this for 3 times. Entire body, head to toe, we are relaxed now. Yes. How do you feel now? Happy? Can you smile? And you learned today how to clap for your own self. Come on. Let us start our second day of Ho'oponopono meditation. Today we will again meditate on our own self. We are never going to neglect our own self. Because God created me and you in his own image and likeness. He took time to create us. Because like me and you, no one is here. I'm unique, you are unique. Like you, only one person, that is you only on this entire universe. And you are not alone. You are a part of the universe. You are not alone. You are a part of the universe. And universe has a very distinct purpose for me and you. If God created me and you in his own image and likeness, and he took time to create me and you, he has a definite purpose, definite plan for my life. I need to come out of that cocoon. I need to fly high. If I am still in the comfort of that cocoon, the universe, the outer world cannot see the colorful wings of my own, myself. God has created a beautiful, beautiful wings for each one of us. He has given lot of talents, and each one is different. Each one of us is different. We got different talents, we got different interests, we got different hobbies. So just by comparing others, why should be left behind? Because like me, only me is there. I am the one with my own capacities, my own images, my own weaknesses, my own strength. If I analyze my personality on a short analysis scale, my strengths, weakness, threats, and opportunities, I may find lot of weaknesses in me. Just by sitting and looking at that weaknesses, I may forget to see the opportunities, to see the strengths which are underlying on all those weaknesses. I'm focusing on that negativities only. I'm focusing on those weaknesses only. No, what we need to do is we need to learn. We need to teach our own self to look on that strength which we have, on the positivities we have, on the opportunities we have. Repeat this in your minds. I'm not alone. I'm a part of the universe. Universe has a distinct purpose for me, and it is my duty to fulfill those plans and purpose of the universe. I need to rise. I need to come out of that comfort zone of that cocoon which I've created on my own self. I may call it as my attitude. I may call it as my introvert. I may call it as my lackings. I may be suffering from poverty. I may have ill health. I may not have much friends. I might have cheated by my girlfriend or boyfriend. I may not have that beauty. I may not have that personality. I may not have that wealth, money, abundance, and all. But still, I am unique. Still, I am worthy. Still, God is there to love me. Still, the universe has a plan for me. So rise up, come out of that cocoon, and fly high with your wonderful, beautiful wings. It is so colorful. The world is so marvelous when you come out of that cocoon. Today, let us start this meditation with that intention. Just think that you are willing to come out of that cocoon like a butterfly, being a worm. It took time to break that cocoon, and it tried its own by its own, and then it could come out as a butterfly. Likewise, today, just please sit with you, with your own self, and wherever you are hooked up, take courage to be released from there and come out of that cocoon comfort zone and rise with your own wings. Now, take deep breath, sit relaxed with your spine erect. You can keep your palms on your thighs, on open this one, hands up, palms up. Take deep breath, and the breath should reach to the core of your body. Close your eyes very silently, calm and coolly. Be with your own self. Take deep breath. You count till 4 and take deep breath like 1, 2, 3, 4, and keep that breath inside. Hold it for to the count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you can exhale to the count of 8. That's the rhythm. 4 to inhale, 6 to hold, and 8 to exhale. 4 to inhale, 6 to hold, and 8 to exhale. Keep that rhythm. Focus on your breath only. Just feel how the breath is coming into your body and reach it each and every cell of your body, and exhale out all your tensions, all your worries, and all your comfort zones. Take deep breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep it inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slowly exhale it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Focus on your breath and deep inhale. Just focus on breathing only. Now please listen to my voice. If any thoughts are coming, let it come and go. Allow your thoughts to come and let it go. And you just focus on my voice. I'm inviting you to a riverside. Come with me. You can see a beautiful river. You can hear the voice of the water flow. And slowly you walk towards this water. You can sit there and dip your feet into the water. Wow, it is so cold. And let the water flow through your feet. Let it be wet. You feel that relaxation. And let your stress and tensions flow to that water through your feet. All your tensions, all your worries, all your anxieties, all your depressions are going on. And the water is taking all those tensions away from you. Just feel it. Close your eyes and just feel it. And the coolness of that water, the purity of water, slowly, slowly you can feel that coolness in your feet, both the ankles, calf muscles, knees and thighs, your abdomen, your stomach, your chest area, both of your shoulders. Just feel that coolness and purity that you are receiving from the water. Just feel it and let it flow through your both the hands, elbows, wrist and hands, all the fingers, and backside of your back of your neck. Slowly let it flow to your upper back and lower back and buttock, and let it flow to your head and the top of head also. You are so relaxed now. And all the face muscles, eyebrows, third eye, eyelids, both of your chin, cheek, nose muscles, lips, both the ears. Totally now you are relaxed now. You feel that coolness. You feel that purity. Now you are sitting with your own self. You want to come out of that cocoon, your comfort zone, any of your bad habits, any of your addictions, any of your bad relationships, which is ruining your life. All those hooks you can release now. Start loving your own self. You really want to come out of that cocoon, that comfort zone. You really want to fly high. You want to see the outer world. And with this conviction, with this imagination, with this feeling inside, just keep on chanting Ho'oponopono healing meditation. Just start this wonderful This magical healing words, which will transform your entire life. From this moment onwards, you are a new creation. Just keep on chanting with me. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. Keep on chanting from the bottom of your heart. Let it touch each and every cell of your body. Let it touch your mind, soul, and conscious, subconscious, unconscious minds now. All the layers of your existence. Keep on chanting. Wherever you are mistaken, just pardon yourself. Accept and acknowledge your own self and keep on chanting. Keep on chanting with that conviction. Keep on chanting with your own love towards your own self. There is no one else in this world can understand you. There is no one in this world can know you because you are the one, you are the only one who knows you better. Nobody can understand you well than your own self. So be patient, be kind with your own self. Just keep on saying, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. Keep on chanting. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. Keep on chanting. Keep on chanting. Keep on chanting. You may feel that iceberg is becoming water. All your guilt, that iceberg is becoming water now. You can feel that warmth inside you. You can feel that relaxation inside you. Keep on saying, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. Keep on chanting. Keep on chanting. Keep on chanting. Please ensure to drink lot of water during these days, because there may be lots of toxins be released out of your body. If you feel like headache or something, don't have to be panic. Just drink a lot of water and be calm. That the accumulated toxins inside your body are going out now. So by drinking a lot of water, and if possible avoid heavy diet, so that body also can be tuned with this transformation. You can feel the difference on your face. You'll be so relaxed. Feel it inside. If you can keep a meditative mood, be in silence, that will help you much more better. Thank you, and I'll request each one of you to take this more seriously and spend time with your own self, and write your feedback on the comment box so that others may be inspired. Namaste and thank you. Bye.